Hi friends, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Now, let's dive into today's topic. You're working on a gear system. Everything looks perfect. The gear fits, rotates smoothly, and seems ready for action. But the moment it's installed in the machine, something goes wrong. It starts making noise, then grinds, and eventually fails. What happened? You measured the outer diameter and the pitch circle just fine. But one tiny detail slipped through. The tooth thickness wasn't quite right. That's a mistake many technicians, even experienced ones, have made. It's easy to eyeball or use a standard vernier caliper and assume you're good to go. But gears are unforgiving. If the tooth thickness or depth is even slightly off, the entire system can wear out faster, vibrate under load, or just stop working. This is exactly where the Gear Tooth Vernier Caliper steps in. It's a specialized measuring tool designed specifically to measure to critical dimensions on a gear: the thickness of the gear tooth at the pitch circle, and the depth of the tooth from the top land to the root. Unlike regular calipers, this tool has two adjustable arms, one for height and one for thickness, letting you dial in precise values without complex calculations or guesswork. What makes it so effective? Accuracy. You can measure even small module gears or narrow teeth with confidence. It's a lifesaver in gear manufacturing, maintenance, or quality control where precision matters most. You'll find this tool in industries like automotive, aerospace, and machine tool manufacturing, anywhere gears are involved. It improves inspection efficiency, eliminates trilateral fitting, and ensures gears mesh perfectly every time. If your work involves gears, the Gear Tooth Vernier Caliper isn't just handy, it's essential. Hey friends, if this video helped you grasp the topic more clearly, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really encourages us to keep sharing valuable tools and techniques with the manufacturing and quality control community. And if you like this straightforward explanation, make sure to check out our earlier video on the surface roughness tester. We broke down how it works, when to use it, and shared tips for evaluating surface finish with confidence, all in the same simple, hands-on style that makes learning both practical and stress-free.